Okay, welcome to this edition of Fix It with Kronk. We have an old side-by-side refrigerator freezer, and I took a picture of the frozen coils. The refrigerator side wasn't getting cool, but these coils were all iced up. So doing an online search, I found that we suspect that it's a thermostat issue. So there's this thermostat that clips onto this piece right here of the coil. So we let it warm up to room temperature. We had all the ice melt off, collected it with towels. This is all behind a rear panel in the freezer side of the unit. And we got the part from appliancepartspros.com, and there's a nice video in there. So it came with this new unit, and they said to cut the old one off and crimp it on with crimp connectors. I didn't do it before actually recording the video, but you have to strip the wires, use something like this to strip your wires, and then crimp with these types of connectors. Now I'm going to attach the clip that goes onto the pipe, and then we'll see how it works. Okay, you can see here the new unit came with its own bracket, and it just clamps on the pipe where the old one was. And the wires are tucked up out of the way with the other wires. And we'll put the panel back in and plug it in. Okay, so this is the panel that came out of this unit. You can see, I'll back up so you can see. So you have to line up all the holes and use the screws that came off to put it back in. You want to make sure that the gaskets are in place and that any as much of any dirt or dust on the back side are cleaned off. And these three holes, the big holes, they use screws that have these big plastic washers on them. So you want to make sure to put them back in the same place. So the whole back panel is in place. Now all the screws are in place. This little freezer light panel just hooks on here, and the shelf holds it in place. It doesn't actually clip on anything except at the very top because the bulb is in the way.